Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get a deep male voiceover in ElevenLabs. So this will help you create professional sounding male voiceovers for narrations, ads, or videos. So first, you will log into your account and then go ahead and click text to speech. And once you're here, you will just have to select a base voice that's closest to male. So again, look for your voices. So for example, this voice right here, it says husky and engaging, so it's probably deep and good for what we're actually looking for. So just go ahead and click that, and then basically just type any message or text or whatever that you want, or you could also actually paste your text here. And for your tone, you could set it to whatever you want, for example happy, sad, or it really depends on what you want. And once you're satisfied with your text, with your emotion, tone, or whatsoever, what you will have to do is just click generate speech and wait for it to load.
Hello, ElevenLabs.
So as you can see, it is loud and deep and clear. And yeah, if you're satisfied with it, you will just have to click this button right here, which is the download icon, and it will automatically save. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.